welcome to our Mother's Day brunch in bed. Hope you enjoy. Today's video is a collaboration with Miss Julia from Accessorize Your Life. And today's video, we're going to put together a Mother's Day's brunch in bed. Happy Mother's Day. Today's Mother's Day brunch, I am going to be doing it in my guest room in honor of my mother, who is no longer here. But guys, her favorite color was blue, and this was right on time. So I hope that you enjoyed this for your Mother's Day. And this is my Mother's Day brunch, and I'm going to take you along with me today to show you how I put this all together. Thank you so much for watching. Friends, for Mother's Day, all I did here was made everything look elegant, and I added a blue candle because blue was my mom's favorite color. She never liked loud colors, but she loved flowers. So you can make your room elegant. If you're setting up husbands for your wives, as children, and setting up anything for their mother or that special woman in your life, it's very easy. Make her feel like she's at a spa. Here what I did, I just made some fruit and made it simple, being that we're supposed to do a brunch breakfast or any type of brunch. And guys, you can make your mother's favorite meal. But here I just did something very simple and just added her remote, so that when your mom enjoy her day in bed and she don't have to do nothing that day, give her the remote. So guys, I hope that you enjoy this. I thank Miss Julia from Accessorizing My Life for asking me to co-host with her. I hope that you enjoy this. And guys, please go watch the playlist from all the other participants. And this breakfast brunch for mothers supposed to be on a tray, guys. And I just use a round wooden circle board that I had as a tray and put it up on a little stand. So guys, I hope you enjoy this and tell me what you think. And mothers, tell me in the box, what is your favorite color? I thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all continue to watch this video and have a blessed day. Thank you from Penny. Bye-bye.